And all of you are also working for the society. You know that our government is also trying to give the justice to everybody. There are many atrocities on women also, everywhere. And all the people are also condemning that incident. But the mentality of the people, that male people, is not good mentality. And you know that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was written the Constitution as a chairman of the drafting committee. And when Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the law minister in Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's government in 1950, that time Baba Saheb Ambedkar has given the bill, Hindu code bill, for all women. The women may be from Hindu community, Muslim community, Christian community, Buddhist community, Jain community. Any community, Baba Saheb Ambedkar has given this bill for all women. Women from Brahmin community, Kshatriya community, Dalit community, tribal community. But at that time also, Parliament has not, all the members not supported this bill. And therefore, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar resigned from the government seat. All right, but this your organization is also very important organization. And last 24 years, you are also working here. And every year, there is a new chairman, new president of this organization. But in political party, we are not changing every year. Political parties are 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But your organization is also changing the chairman, president after 1 year. And 2003, this organization was started. And now, Seema Saroj, she is my family member. And Padma Shri Kalpana Saroj, he is also the chairman of Command Industry. And many women are also very strong. And Seema is also going to become the president of this city. Today, Mahila is not booking. Today, all the Mahilas are not booking because the organization of FICCI is also there. FICCI is also supporting all the women. And I thank Seema because you are from our community, from Buddhist community. And this FICCI ladies organization has given the chance to you also for 1 year. But there is no provision for 2 years. There is no provision only 1 year. And 1 year you are also the chairman, the president of FICCI ladies organization. And definitely I feel that you are active lady and you are going to become the chairman of this FICCI ladies organization. And today I am also here to congratulate you and all the ladies here. Samina Korakewala, I know her also. Samina Korakewala is also the senior vice chairperson. Mumbai Pro founder Kiran Gera. Vinita Binbay. Your name is very hard name, but you are not hard. Your name is hard, but you are. And all the ladies, all the females are also present here. And last 24 years, you are also working for women. You are also working for the society. You are also working from Mumbai also, because Mumbai is also the economic capital of India. And now our economy is number 4 under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. And last time our economy was number 10 when we came in the power 2014. That time our economy was number 10. But now our economy is number 4. US is number 1, China is number 2, Germany is number 3, and Indian economy is number 4 now.